Hey Cancer, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. They're feeling stuck in something toxic, and this is why there's fear of them coming back towards you to speak their truth and you not basically taking them back. Yeah, see, this person is afraid that things are not going to improve between the two of you. And they're feeling like they're not going to have a victory with you because of some type of family situation. Yeah, see? Family. I do feel like they want the Ten of Cups with you. You are their wish fulfillment. They want a family with you. They want to be with you. This person knows you're the one. They're confident. They're not confused. They're going to come towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But see, this person feels like they're not going to have a new beginning with you because they did leave you out in the cold. That's why they're feeling like they're not going to have a victory with you, because they basically went towards a family situation, and this is why you two are separated. Could be dealing with the Scorpio. Yep, there's a water sign. Somebody's dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But if not, this person they know how to mask their feelings. They're not saying anything to you. They're not telling you what's going on or how they're thinking and feeling, because they're afraid that you don't even want to build with them. So in their mind, they're kind of like, what's the point? But they're not happy in this situation. I feel like they know you're moving on. So they know they have to say something. See what I'm saying? There's two people here. Y'all know how I feel about my court cards. I see two men. It could be two women. But there's two people here. And this is the situation. This is why, look, Three of Wands in the middle, third party. See? And they're having to remove themselves out of it in order to give you the offer that you deserve. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. See? Three of Cups. They want to celebrate with you, but the third party is still an issue, whether that's family, friends, career, love interest. There's somebody here that's interfering. So it's like they're coming out of being frustrated about the situation, because remember I told you they're making plans to come back towards you. See? They want to balance things out with you. Clarify the Six of Pentacles, please. Yep, I told you. They're making plans, y'all. Your person is coming back. They definitely want to have this new start with you, but they're not happy. Why? Clarify the Sun reverse. They're not happy, but it's like they're coming out of being worried about, I feel like it's the situation that they're in. Yeah, see, something that took place in the past, or someone from their past. Could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Who's the Queen of Pentacles? Clarify the Queen. Hold on, tell me more. Okay. So, honestly, y'all, I feel like I'm picking it up both ways. Hold on, let me get one more card. Tell me more. Yep. Alright, look. Whoever was interfering between the two of you, right? Whether it's family, a love, I feel like it's family or a love interest. This person, your person, I feel like has been given to this individual, because this person just only wanted, they were using your person. I'm going to keep it 100. They were using your person for what they could do for them financially speaking. They only wanted money from them, and they got comfortable with this lifestyle that your person was giving and providing to them, whether they have children or not, or they were helping, like I said, a family member. This is why your person is afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you, because they went down the wrong path. They were being very immature and childish to you. I feel like your person was being very stubborn. I feel like this person that they were dealing with, they were very controlling as well. So somebody basically was pulling strings. I'm just keep it 100. And your person, not to talk bad about them, but I'm gonna keep it 100. Your person was feeling kind of weak because they weren't standing up to this person. They weren't doing what they needed to do or say what they needed to say in order to be with you. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries. Tell me more. Back and forth with the Nine of Wands. It's like, I'm telling you, they made a decision. They know they want to be with you, but they're undecided how to go about doing it. And they do want to give you a stable offer, but yeah, your guard is up. Back and forth with the Ten of Wands. I'm telling y'all, this person is regretting letting you go. They're regretting it. Yep, look, see what I'm saying? Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but I'm feeling like
it could be their mom, and I'm mad that this card is slowly opening up in my hand and is being forced. So it's the Ace of Wands. Ooh, that was creepy. But anyway, your person, they're gonna come back and communicate to you what happened, and I do feel like they're gonna speak their truth to you. But this could have been someone's mother figure, or it's a love interest that was interfering. See? This is why this person is afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. They had other options in the past, but I feel like they're trying to choose the best option to come back towards you because they know that they hurt you. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Look, I'm telling you, they're going to come back and give you the Ace of Cups, Cancer. You're going to get the offer that you deserve. But they're hoping that you don't look back at the past because they want to move things forward with you. But at the same time, they're still moving slow. They're moving slow to come towards you. See? Look at that. 2 sevens. This person that they were entertaining, they are holding on to them. I feel like, one, your person was being really sneaky in the past anyway. The person that they were dealing with, whether it's family or a love interest, they are holding on to them because remember I told you, whoever they were dealing with, they got comfortable with them always giving, and they don't want them to stop giving to them. So they're trying to do whatever they can to hold on to them. But I feel like your person is coming out of being frustrated about the situation, and they're making changes because they don't want this to keep happening, you know, because they don't see anything improving in their current situation, and they want to come back towards you, but they're afraid that things may not improve between the two of you because they chose someone else. Or they chose to listen to someone else, you know, instead of doing what they felt they needed to do in order to be happy. But they're not confused. This person's coming. They're just moving a little slow, guys. Because I feel like they're trying to make a decision. Back and forth with the 10 of... Yeah, see... This person, they know what they need to do, but they hurt you, you know, and they don't know how you feel about them. They don't know. They just don't know. They don't know. See, justice. Somebody could have been dealing with a Libra. They're hoping you can forgive them, but justice was definitely served. I feel like they know you want the truth, but I feel like they're trying to find out the truth to see, like, how you're feeling about them. Tell me about justice. Yeah, that's why they're stuck. Trying to make a decision, and they're losing hope because they're feeling like you're not going to take them back. But Spirit is saying they're not using their intuition. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius. Yeah, see, they need to speak their truth. They need to talk to you because look, they don't want you to walk away. Tell me more. But they know that things are not going to improve until they walk away from a third-party situation. Let's see. Yeah. It's like, okay. I'm trying to figure out how I want this to go. So, sorry for being quiet. Alright, so look. They're going to walk away from a third-party situation, but at the same time, this individual is moving really slow to do it. And it's like, this is why they're getting advice. They're talking to someone, trying to figure out how to take a leap to remove themselves from a third-party situation. But at the same time, they're trying to figure out how to take a leap to come towards you. Because right now, they don't have the strength, and they're struggling trying to do that because they cause an imbalance in your love life. Some of you could be dealing with a Leo. Some of you could be dealing with a Gemini, but see, I'm telling you, this person wants to be with you, Cancer. They do. But see, this person over here is holding on. I told you, for financial reasons. And this is why your person isn't putting in the work. This is why your person is isolating themselves right now. Because there's somebody that just won't let them go. Could be dealing with a Virgo. And see, they want to give you, the way this came out, they want to give you an offer, but they feel like you're not going to take it. Yeah, see? They feel like you're going to cut them off. Because they're like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow, and they're not confident about how things are going to play out. Your person, I feel like, is used to being in control. They're trying to be like, okay, I know how this is going to play out. This is, you know, what's going to happen. I'm going to do this, but it's not up to them. It's really not. And once they stop trying to control the situations, they'll be able to go with the flow of things and come back towards you. But you're going to get an apology. And they're no longer fighting themselves. See? They're going to give you an offer. There is an offer coming in, Cancer. 2 of Cups try to come out. I'm telling you, it's a love offer. But they're back and forth with the 4 of Wands. They want a home with you. They want stability with you, but they feel like you don't want it. And it's like they're not being positive about it at all. But they're coming out of their head. They're coming out of feeling like you're not going to take them back. But see, yes and no. Look, they feel like they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. They're feeling like they're not going to be able to have a commitment with you. Because I feel like this person does see themselves marrying you. And I'm seeing that they're afraid you're going to cut them off for good. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Somebody also could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Tell me more. Yeah, see? Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. I just feel like this person is scared. But they're freeing themselves from some type of toxic situation that they put themselves in because they're realizing that there's no balance there. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Yep. And see, once they free themselves, there's communication coming in fast. They're going to tell you how they're thinking and feeling. Cancer, you could be dealing with another Cancer, but see, right now they're just not moving forward. Why is the Knight of Wands here? Y'all, okay. For some of you guys, this person was just definitely being a player in the past. And I feel like they're coming out of just being sad about how things played out. You know, just kind of feeling like you're not going to take them back. They're doing what they have to do. But for others of you, I feel like your person is definitely trying to get out of something. There's like some type of contract here I'm picking up. There's a contract because whoever they were stuck with that they're trying to free themselves with, I don't know if they were taking care. Yeah, they were. Yeah, they're gonna have to pay. Like, I feel like this person is gonna have to pay this individual in order to break free from them, because they've been like going through this like financial hit, or like feeling like this person is just constantly taking from them. So I feel like this is why they're trying to get themselves together. They're trying to get out of that situation, look, in order to balance things out with you, because this person, they choose you. And I'm seeing that they're coming out of being frustrated, and I feel like it's more so about their money. Because this is the holdup. This has been the holdup the whole time, see? That's why they were feeling stuck. But they're not stuck anymore. They're coming out of that energy. But I've been seeing this for a couple of signs, like whoever has been interfering, whoever they've been giving to, this person is holding on to them very tight. I've been seeing it. And so now I feel like they're freeing themselves from this situation. And they're wanting to speak their truth, because your person has been like really, really quiet. They've just been keeping things to themselves. They've been bottling things up. But this is them wanting to come to you to speak their truth. Some of you guys could be dealing with the Pisces. But see, they're back and forth. Look, we're communicating to you. They want to tell you everything. They want to talk to you about having like this new opportunity, this new beginning. But at the same time, they're still hesitating. They're not saying anything. See, they're not moving forward just yet. Spirit is still working on them, guys. They're still going through their lessons. Two things. They're worried that they're not going to be financially stable for you. They're worried about their money. And that's why they're still not moving forward, because of that third party situation here. For others of you, I feel like they're just afraid that you're just not going to take the Ace of Pentacles. You're not going to accept anything from them. But see, look, I'm telling you, there's a love offer coming in. Yeah, I've been seeing 1111 all day, y'all. Soulmate, twin flame energy. Your person is coming. But they're just trying to figure out how to get out of this situation. If they are going to have to pay something to this person, they're trying to get that taken care of first, to figure out, okay, what am I going to have to give every month, every 2 weeks, whatever the situation is. If it's family, you know, it's hard to cut off family in their eyes. So they're like, okay, let me try to come up with something to balance this out. Or they may just cut them off cold turkey, just depending on the situation. But they know they're coming to you. They want to be with you. They're just trying to figure out how to approach you at this point. Alright, Cancer, so that was your reading. Please leave me some comments. You can do it with the part 1 or the part 2 video. It doesn't matter. I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Hope you enjoy the reading. Bye, Cancer. Cancer. Cancer.